has been public outcry on social media after a Charleston business owner went on a Facebook rant that included a racial slur. Dennis Drake used his excavating company's page to comment on the civil unrest going on around the country. WCIA3's Andy Olson has the story.
These are some of the Facebook posts made by the owner of Drake Excavating in Charleston. Over the weekend, Dennis Drake took to social media to air his objection to some of the civil unrest seen around the country, specifically people who have resorted to looting in that time. His post quickly caught the eye of others on social media, which led to hundreds of responses and dozens of one-star reviews left for his business just over the past few days. Charleston Mayor Brandon Combs responded to the outcry against Drake in a statement, saying, quote, "It has come to my attention that over the last week there has been some hateful commentary online. It is not worthy of public consideration. It is not worthy of debate. It is not contemptible, and I will not tolerate it." Also caught up in the comments of one of Drake's posts was an employee of the Mattoon School District. In one of the posts, she says she has previously made students look up the N-word, have them write it down, and read it back to her. The school district says they accepted her letter of resignation after an investigation. They say, quote, "The district condemns any language or action that divides rather than unifies. The district is committed to creating a culture of inclusivity grounded in the ability to listen with the intent to understand." WCIA reached out to Drake for comment. At this time, they have not responded. In Charleston, Andy Olson, WCIA3, your local news leader.
The posts have since been taken down. The website for Drake Excavating is also down, as well as their Facebook page and the owner's